Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks to live a healthier life. In this video, we're going to talk about salt and how you can reduce your sodium intake for better health. Salt is a crucial ingredient in most diets, but consuming too much of it can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and other health problems. That's why we've compiled a list of tips and tricks to help you reduce your salt intake without sacrificing flavor. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes, because we're about to share some salt smarts with you. Tip number 1. Check your labels. One of the easiest ways to reduce your salt intake is by checking the labels on your food products. Be sure to look for foods that are low in sodium and high in other nutrients, such as vitamins and fiber. When you're at the grocery store, try to choose fresh, whole foods like fruits and vegetables instead of processed and packaged foods. Tip number 2. Experiment with different spices. Just because you're reducing your salt intake doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor. Experiment with different spices and herbs to add flavor to your meals. Some great options include garlic, ginger, basil, and cumin. Tip number 3. Use salt substitutes. If you're looking for a way to cut back on salt without losing flavor, try using salt substitutes. Some great options include lemon juice, vinegar, and hot sauce. These substitutes can add flavor and zing to your meals without adding extra sodium. Tip number 4. Cook your own meals. When you cook your own meals, you have more control over the amount of salt that goes into your food. Try to cook more meals at home and experiment with different recipes and flavor profiles. Tip number 5. Be mindful when eating out. Eating out can be a challenge when you're trying to reduce your salt intake. To be mindful, try asking for your food to be prepared with less salt or for the salt to be added on the side. Additionally, try to choose healthier options on the menu, like salads, grilled proteins, and vegetable sides. And there you have it, 5 tips for reducing your salt intake and living a healthier life. Remember, reducing your sodium intake doesn't have to be bland or boring. With a little creativity and experimentation, you can enjoy delicious meals without sacrificing flavor. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthy lifestyle.